Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use if plus min function in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data, product list, price and stock. So the if plus min function in Excel can be used together to make decisions based on the minimum value among a set of number. So let's start how it's used. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the if. And here in logical test, I'm going to use here sum of stock. So use here the sum functions and select the range of stock column. Okay, then bracket closed. And here, if the total stock is less than 40, then here I use the less than sign, then enter the 40. If the total stock is less than 40, then show the minimum price. Use the comma and use here the minimum function. So minimum function for price. Show the minimum price for, therefore I'm using the minimum function for price range. So I select here the price range, then bracket close comma, otherwise result the enough stock. Okay. Otherwise result enough stock and bracket closed. Okay. If the total stock is less than 40, then show the minimum price, else show the enough stock. Just enter. That's it. Drag this formula below the cell. You can see the result in first cell, the enough stock. It means the total stocks is less than 40 is not here in the first cell. When I select this, the in first cell, you can see the range of some D6 to D8. It means its entire range is selected. So entire range of stock is some 50. It means it's not less than 40. Okay. Therefore, is the result enough stocks. Okay. In second cell, when I use the F2, you can see the range is selected D7 to D9. It means the 35 is a sum amount here. It's a less than 40. Therefore, the minimum price is 20. For third cell, I use the F2 here, the D8 to D10s. Okay. So in D8, the total sum amount is 5. So it's less than 40. Therefore, the minimum price is 20. Okay. Here you can select the not required C10. Okay, it's automatically select the extra blank cellars. As per the formula I mentioned the in first cell. No worries, I get a correct result. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.